Hello, welcome back. I am Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty, a licensed real estate broker out of Sarasota, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about 4 communities that I believe are wonderful if you are a snowbird or a seasonal owner looking to buy down in the Sarasota, Florida area. I'm going to start with these 4 communities. They're not the only communities that I'd recommend for seasonal ownership, but I do think it's a great place to start. These communities span from Manatee County all the way down to South Sarasota County. So I'm going to kick it off with Esplanade. Esplanade is a product built by Taylor Morrison. There are, I believe, 5 communities that are all called Esplanade in this area. There's one in Palmetto. There are 2 in Lakewood Ranch, Esplanade Golf and Country Club, which is a beautiful golf course. Esplanade at Azario is also in Lakewood Ranch. There's Esplanade at Siesta Key, and then there's an Esplanade in Palmer Ranch as well. All these Esplanades are wonderful. Highly recommend them for seasonal ownership. They all have wonderful clubhouses, beautiful, bright, large areas where you can socialize. They have resort style pools, they have fitness centers, and they even have activity directors on staff. So whether you're a full-time owner or a season owner, it's a wonderful place where you can jump in, not skip a beat, meeting with your neighbors, residents, and a wonderful place to socialize and have fun. So Waterside at Lakewood Ranch is the next place I'm going to recommend. Waterside at Lakewood Ranch is a large community. It's the first community that was actually built in Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, but built in Sarasota, not in Manatee County. Waterside itself it broke out in 2017. It's planned to have over 5,000 homes. With these 5,000 homes, it's going to offer commercial spaces, condos, residential, restaurants, shopping. New Players Theater is actually planning to launch there as well in the near future. So they're going to have some performing arts, and there's a beautiful park that's being built with it's got a pedestrian bridge to go there. There's a lot of activities, a lot of socializing, a lot of things that you can do all in Waterside. You never actually have to leave what feels like your own neighborhood. So it's going to be a great area to set up shop and to enjoy the beautiful weather when you're down here in the winter months. Next thing I want to talk about is Heritage Harbour is a 2,500 acre established master plan community on the south shores of the Manatee River. So this has a Bradenton address. It's a golfer's mecca. There's a beautiful golf course called Stony Brook Golf and Country Club, and there's also a private 27-hole River Strand Golf and Country Club, all in the same area. The community itself offers baseball fields, playgrounds, a pier, walking paths, and a lot more. So it's a wonderful area. It's close to I-75, so you can pop up north and go to Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, or go down south to Sarasota, enjoy the beaches down in Sarasota, Venice, or even Fort Myers. So it's a wonderful location, it's a beautiful area, and there's a lot to do in Heritage Harbour. The next thing I want to end with is Wellen Park. Wellen Park is another master plan community. It's similar to Lakewood Ranch. It's going to be home for over 60,000 residents when fully established. I believe there are 9 communities that are being developed in Wellen Park right now. One I could highly recommend if you're a seasonal owner would be Renaissance, but there are a lot of communities in Willam Park that are currently being built that I'd highly recommend. Most of these communities will have the resort style pools, the fitness centers, the activity directors. Some even have actual restaurants in the neighborhood themselves, so you can grab takeout, you can go sit down and enjoy a meal with a neighbor. All of these 4 communities, all these 4 neighborhoods, I would highly recommend if you're looking for seasonal ownership or if you're a snowbird traveling down for the winter months, and so that way you can mix the wonderful outdoor activities with the social lifestyle. Like I said previously, these aren't the only neighborhoods that I would consider if you are that, but this is definitely a good place to start. I would love to be a resource for you. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Look forward to talking soon. Thanks.